Right, we're going to set up a 15 by 18 adult castle. It's getting very cloudy, so hopefully I can get this done before it rains. This was a last minute booking. They've been let down by another company, but as usual we row to the rescue. Right, let's crack on. Hopefully I'll get this all done before that rain, because it looks like it's going to come down pretty heavy. Two in. rain's coming down. Well, that's it, proper coming down now.
What a timing, isn't it?
Not conditions for a bouncy castle, that's for sure. Hopefully it's just a passing shower. The actual hire is for tomorrow, so it is looking a lot drier. 30% chance of rain. But at the moment, the way the summer's going, that could go up to 90% quite easily. Right, well, as you can see, that's coming down pretty heavy, but I managed to get it all done, so that's a good thing. One more peg to put in, which I didn't have a chance to put in, so I need to go back to the van to get that. But then that's it. Photograph. I think it's going to pass pretty quickly by the look of it. It's coming in from the west. And it's flying over, so hopefully that's not going to be too long. Tomorrow. Alright, bye now. Right, that's pretty much us done. I'm going to load up and go home now and have something to eat. It's eased off a little bit of rain, but it's not great. Thanks for watching and see you again.